Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So we're going to work on script number 17 today. So it's going to be a very simple script to add a user if they don't exist in the system. So I'm just going to get started with Bash and then we'll move on to the Python script. Okay, so first we're going to check, we'll declare user variable and then we're going to check if any parameters if one of the parameter was passed. If not, then we're going to use just a static, I guess, placeholder username or any username that you need to create. And then let's say after that we're going to check if you're running as root. So we'll use EU UID. If it's not include doesn't include the number 0, then we are not running as root. So it will echo that you have to run it as root. And then we'll exit with 1. And we'll close this if statement here. And then we're going to check if the ID exists. Or user or the user ID exists. Then we're going to direct the output here to dev now. And then echo user exists, and then else we're going to use useradd and then user. And we'll also echo a confirmation here. And that's it, that's the script. So we're going to save this and run this. It's asking us to run as root, so we're going to do sudo and then put our password. Okay, new user added. Okay, so we'll move on to the Python script now. Need to import some module here, so sub processes, OS, and then sys. Then we'll create a variable here. We'll check if we're running as root. We'll use OS module here. It's not, it doesn't equal to 0. We're going to print a confirmation, print a message saying that you have to run it as root. Then sys exit with 1. Check user. Then we'll do check user, then we'll find the return code. If it's 0, then user already exists. If it doesn't exist, we will create it. Save this and run this. Actually, we're going to put new user 1 because new user already exists, so asking us to run as root. As you can see, it's adding the new user 1. Okay, so this is it. So next couple of scripts will be simple like this, like a delete user perhaps, lock user perhaps. So just going to keep it short for the next couple of days. Thanks, have a nice day.